Swiss turning or conventional CNC. How to choose? Swiss type turning and conventional CNC turning are the most commonly used methods in the field of lathes. Core differences between Swiss type turning and conventional turning. Conventional CNC lathes have a fixed headstock. By contrast, Swiss type machines use a sliding headstock to push the bar stock through a guide bushing. In Swiss type turning, the guide bushing ensures the workpiece is supported within 0.5 to 1 millimeter of the cutting tool. This virtually eliminates vibration, enabling micro-level tolerances. Conventional lathes lack this support and therefore experience limitations when machining slender parts. Swiss type lathes often have 7 to 13 axes and multi-tool turrets, which enable simultaneous machining operations. This makes Swiss type machines more efficient for complex geometries. In contrast, conventional lathes typically operate with 2 for axes, meaning that machining steps must be performed sequentially. So, compared to conventional CNC lathes, under what circumstances would you need to choose a Swiss type lathe? With tolerances as tight as plus or minus 0.001 millimeters, Swiss type lathes are indispensable for producing medical implants and microelectronics. Conventional CNC lathes typically achieve tolerances of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. Swiss type lathes are excellent for parallel processing, as they can complete the turning, drilling, and milling in one setup. This dramatically reduces cycle times. Swiss type turning is ideal for machining difficult alloys such as titanium, Inconel, cobalt chromium, and medical-grade stainless steel. It is also highly effective for micro-sized parts. Swiss type machines produce an extremely smooth finish, raw 0.16 micrometers for stainless steel, which often eliminates the need for secondary processes. In conclusion, conventional CNC lathes are still the most cost-effective option for large parts and prototypes, whereas Swiss type machines are used for high-value, precision components.